These kittens didn't want any food. They wanted water. Water, water. You too, you agree. I know, in this heat, we need lots of water. A lot of people forget to leave out some water. It's very simple. Leave a large bowl of water every day in front of your house, in front of your apartment building. Fill it up every day. Look how much they're drinking. Oh, this is really sad. Thank you. Yeah, your eye's looking much better. I'm glad I was here to give you some water and some food, okay? Yeah. Love you guys. You love your rooster. You're awesome too.